When nights bring a stubborn cough, the gentle duo of mullein tea and honey offers soothing relief for families. Mullein, used in medieval apothecaries, provides a mild demulcent effect, while honey coats irritated throat tissues for mucoid calm. For children over 1 year and adults, steep dried mullein leaves in hot water, strain, cool, then sip slowly. Historically, herbal healers recommended mullein before modern syrups, and today it aligns with evidence suggesting anti-inflammatory actions. Always consult a clinician for persistent symptoms, avoid honey in infants, and choose high-quality dried mullein to reduce stems.